another mystery box unboxing. And it is again Colourpop. Let me show you back, but there we go. Let's get into this because I don't have a lot of time. And yo, my neighbors are trying to play me. I love them, but them cars though, they're just loud. They're just really, really loud. All right, so let's get into it. Did you guys miss me? I missed y'all. But I had an amazing weekend. Got a little sunburn, so if you see anything abnormal, ignore that. That's also why I'm coming plain Jane today, because the sunburn is healing and it's peeling. Hashtag bars. Let's get into this box. All right, first up, we have, what's this? The Moon Haze. It's like an eyeshadow palette. Let's open her up. I like this like peachy neon color. Let's see if it looks like that on the inside. Let's see. So there's the packaging. Colourpop don't miss with packaging. Like, they just don't. And y'all know I'm a sucker for for packaging. This is kind of a letdown. I mean, that peachy color is like in the middle. But this is pretty. I can rock with this. This is pretty. I like this. But the packaging, look at this. This is cute. Cute. All right, let's move on to the next thing. Oh, it's the Powerpuff Girls. Bubbles was my favorite because she was just so sweet and innocent like me. So I could always relate to her. But I don't think this collection did very well because there's always something. Like, I still have these. So, I don't know. Maybe it didn't do so great, but I don't know. Like, see, look. Well, let me get it out. I don't even know what this is. It's a pressed powder blush in Saving the World. But, like, even the inside of the packaging, like, they don't miss. They hit with the details. But there's the packaging, the outside. Saving the World. And let's see what this looks like. Oh, this is pretty. It ain't my shade, but it's cute. You know what I mean? Yeah. So there we go with that. I think I know somebody that could use this shade. It's a shade that would probably be good for someone who's more fair. Say that. All right, let's go. Oh, I got some lippy sticks. I think these are all lippy sticks. Yeah, lippy sticks. Let's see what colors we got. Let's start with this one first. And this color is With the Band. It looks like it's a matte lippy stick. Let's see if I can get it open. I can never get these things open. Let's see. All right, here's the color. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. Let's see. With like a liner, you can make this work. Or a pretty gloss. Maybe like a deep brownish gloss. Like that hot chocolate one from Fenty. That'd be cute. All right, next up we got At Twilight. It's a cream. So let's see what we got here. And I remember when Colourpop first came out, their lippy sticks were like the best. And they were super cheap. And I can't remember, it was like a magenta color, but that was like my favorite color. And I wore the heck out of that. So here's this color. So like the box is misleading. Like it came in this box. This is purple. It's like a pinkish purple. Lavender. Periwinkle. This ain't that color. But let's see what it looks like. This is still pretty. It's kind of similar, just in a different sheen. So it's this one right here. That's still pretty. I can still make it work. I'm sorry if you can hear my dog. She is downstairs because we have people working on the house and she just always wants to play. and she can't play right now. So let's see. This one is called Who Run This? Who run this? Hey, who run this? Just kidding. And this is another matte shade. See, this is like misleading. And this is a deeper, like a brick color. I don't know if you can really see. What's that? Hair? Lint? I don't know. Now this is pretty. It's like a brick shade. I don't know if you could tell. But that's pretty. We can work with that. I came prepared this time, guys. Got my makeup wipes. I can wipe off the colors just in case we decide to swatch anything else. Alright, let me wipe that up because I think I see something in here that I was kind of excited about. And yeah, I might do some swatches. But let's go for it. It's from the Barbie collection. And let's see. Did I get this one last time? No, I got the Barbie lashes. But this is the eyeshadow palette. And let's see. This was just so cute. And again, they don't miss with packaging. They just don't, to me, you know. And it comes with a mirror. It's a good size mirror. I won't like take it off, but here are the colors. Aren't they pretty? Like these blues are so pretty. Kind of matches my nails. Except there's no purple. So these are pretty. I probably won't swatch these. I don't know if I would keep this one. But yeah. I don't know. The Colourpop shimmers, they do be shimming. So, I don't know. This is cute though. Let's see what else we got. I'll put that right here. What else? They didn't miss with the bubble wrap, I'll tell you that much. Oh, there's like a whole collection of eyeshadow palettes. Okay, I can put the box down. Look at that. I don't know what collection this is, but it's pretty. All right. This is the Nude Notes collection. I don't know if you saw it. Yeah, there we go. But this is pretty. Now, let's see if I'm gonna get it open, because y'all know I suck with. It's out. Now these are so cute. So we have Poem, Couplet, Harmony, Rhapsody, and Duet. Now let's open them. Oops. See, I'm just doing all kinds of stuff. But I'm digging the braids. Bo-ho. All right, so this one is Duet. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. So you get a better look at the shades. Nice neutral. It's all romantical. All right, let's see. Let's do Rhapsody next. But it's so, the packaging is so soft. I like it. Let's see. This one is Rhapsody. Get that in the camera for you. Ooh, this one's pretty. It's like more golden neutral. It's really pretty. I love this packaging, I'm telling you. Okay, so this next one is Harmony. And we'll open this one up. So again, this is pretty neutral. It kind of looks like the last one. Kind of looks like Rhapsody. No, this one's more golden. And this one's more, I don't know what to call that. Like a brownish. I don't even know what to call it, but we're gonna put that right there. And let's open up Couplet next. That's the problem with some eyeshadow like collections. Like you could have just put this in one palette, but I appreciate that they made these travel friendly. And sometimes you don't need all them colors. Like some people are just real simple. Like everyday eyeshadow, I'm real simple. So this one is Couplet, and this one is a little darker neutral. So yeah. And last but not least, we have Poem. Let's see. Oh, this one's pretty. It's a little smoky. Maybe that's the sun went down. Sorry. Yeah, so this is a smoky brown with a little shimmer. So yeah, these are really pretty. They're not all the same, but let's see. Let's stack them all together. So this was, I mean, I thought this was a really good box though. Like legit. It was $49 and it's supposed to have a value of $121 or something. So I'll post the prices when I post it. So let's see if I can get these all up together without breaking anything. So maybe I'll post a picture and put them side by side. Yeah, I think I'll do that because this ain't gonna work. But yeah, these are all really pretty. So let's recap. I really legit got 5 eyeshadow palettes. Like, that's pretty dope. So yeah, we got the 4, what are these? 5 pan little minis. We've got the powder blush, the 3 lippy sticks, and the Malibu Barbie eyeshadow palette. So I think I made out good. I don't know how much this stuff costs or even if it's for sale. Oh no, I had 5 of these. Yo, that's 6 eyeshadow palettes in a mystery box. I don't know. I wasn't overly joyed or overjoyed with the last one, the winter one. I mean, I got some cute stuff, but I mean, a lot of Colourpop stuff is kitschy anyway. But like, this one was really good. Like 6 eyeshadow palettes for 50 bucks. And I don't know how much this collection was, or even if it's still for sale. But I will post. In the window somewhere the cost, and then we'll see if we got to 121. So we'll see. But of course, they always interrupt me. Like it just never. Oh, maybe because I have to go pick up my daughter. Oops. All right, so I'm just in this video, and it was wonderful seeing you guys again. And I also have some other goodies coming up. I will be also unboxing the Slate Glam box. So when I get that, you will be the first to know. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, so enjoy your day. Have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye.